Hello everyone, this is Rishi Rishabh Jain and you are watching Bhilwara CA Gurukul. So welcome to my channel. First of all, today is Ganesh Chaturthi. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you all people. May Lord Ganesha showers his blessings, love and happiness on your lives, in your lives. Also today is one of the main Jain festivals, that is Samvatsari. In this festival we seek forgiveness. Also I am a Jain, so I also seek forgiveness from my students, friends, family members and everyone who are connected to me directly or indirectly. Like if I have hurt you from my action, words, deeds or impression, or even if knowingly or unknowingly, I seek forgiveness. Please forgive me, because like we are humans, so we tend to commit mistakes, we tend to hurt others by our words and actions. So I seek forgiveness, please forgive me. So let's start with the today's video. Today is day 9 of online mentoring program. Sorry, day 10 of online mentoring program. Sorry again. Michhame Dukram, we say Michhame Dukram for all the mistakes we commit once in entire for of the entire year at once. So Michhami Dukadam. Once again, today is day 10 of online mentoring program of for CA final students or November 2020 attempt. If you are watching it after January, then please watch my updated revision lectures. It will, the links will be given in the I button above. Now, without wasting time, let's shift our focus to our syllabus. We are studying in 2 slots, that is FR and audit, 7 hours of FR and 2 hours of audit. Okay, so hope you are all have completed the targets of day 8 and day 9 I have given you. So we are meeting after 2 days, so that's why I'm asking. If you have any doubts, queries or anything else, you can contact me. In day 8 and day 9 I asked you to revise like complete Ind AS 20, 24, 33, 102, 108 and around 50 questions we were supposed to practice. Hope you have done this. And even though I hope, but I know you it is practically not possible to solve each and every sums. So that's why there comes the planning part. We have done planning for like studying these all 5 Ind AS. If you have studied at least 3 Ind AS, 4 Ind AS, leaving it one major Ind AS, that is also fine. One standard is manageable because we will cover it in next 2 days. So in audit standards we were supposed to complete 300 series as well as half of 500 series. Even if you have completed half of 500 series, that is okay, and even if you have completed 300 and 400 series, that is also okay. But if you have completed less than that, then you need to improve your speed. And why you cannot complete these lectures, you have to tell me in the comment section below. And if you want personal mentoring classes, then you can contact me on the links given below in the description. So this we were supposed to study 5 Ind AS. Now today, if you are left with any of these Ind AS, any of these 5 Ind AS, then you have to study it again like today. Now we will start with business combination Ind AS, that is 103. Now business combination Ind AS has around 17 questions in compiler. And notes, whichever notes you are referring, that is fine, you can study. But the point is ki, like we have to study this business combination Ind AS in around 4 days. Okay, so before starting, now we are left with, like, if you have completed these, then it is fine till now. So your section 7, section 3 and section 4 is over. Now section 5, section 6 and section 2 in no particular order is pending. So this is like, if we have complete section 1 also, now that is presentation of financial statements, then roughly, okay, 2 also, yeah, section 1 if we complete roughly now, then we can say that half of our coverage, that is 50 marks, is almost covered. Now we have to cover only 50 marks. So one may see that the glass is half full, one may see that the glass is half empty. So we are going to see that, we have to see that this is glass is half full. So at least we have completed these topics, and if not, then you should complete it by today itself. Today is 22nd of August and that is slot 10, I suppose. So that's why, like slot 9 basically, yeah. So if you have not completed the above index, like if any of the above topics of any slots are pending except for slot 1, that is we won't be studying that slot again now, only after completing the entire FR that we will be again taking up this topic, if you have not studied it earlier. But these index 2, 10, 23, 110 and all, leases, intangible, impairment, investment property, non-current asset held for sale, like I can tell you that which indices are important na. Inventory, PP, borrowing cost important, leases is important, intangibles important, impairment is important, employee benefits you have to complete it, and taxes, foreign currency, everything is important here. Taxes, foreign currency, EPS is important, and then here share based payment is important. If you have completed these indices, then it is fine and okay, and if not, then you should complete this indices today itself. So that's why I have given this slot of 22 August as a revision slot. So we can do, if like students prefer that they are not gaining confidence in the above indices, then they can like quickly revise the entire indices again by watching either the revision videos or like revising through the text, okay, or your summary notes. Or if you have marked some questions that these questions are pending, then you can do that. So entire around 7 to 8 hours you can give for pending indices as well as the revising the other indices. Like taxes is important, so you can revise that, and this EPS is important, although like you have done it in 2 days before only. Like leases and intangibles is also important. So if you have not completed this, then you can like practice extra sums for this. Okay, so today's slot, if you have completed the entire index and your speed is okay, and you think that you are gaining confidence, then you can start with the new index, that is index 103 for business combination. Sorry, index 103 for business combination, or you can start with 115, or you can start with financial instruments. Like these three sections na, section 4, 5, okay, there's difference in it, something might be wrong. 5, 6, this is 6 here. So 5, 6 and 2, I told you na, there is no particular order for these standards. So we can study whenever we want, we don't have any particular order, but this is like I have to give some order, so that's why I have given this order to you, that you can start with 5th, 2nd and 4th. If you feel like you should start with business combination, you can start with business combination. If you feel like starting with financial instruments, then you can start with financial instruments. Although I told you to study like financial instruments earlier, but now I am telling you to firstly revise business combination, because like the probability of coming easy question coming in the exam is little more, okay, and financial instruments won't like actually like be easy for you to attempt in exam. So what we have to do today is, you can either start financial instruments, you can either start group accounting, or you can start with index 115. Although I'll tell you in index 115 to be keep it separate, we don't like want to mix it here. So what we will do, we are going to start financial instruments. For like I have to give you something na, so like we will start with financial instruments, although I am suggesting you can start with any of the sections, like from 5, 6 and 2, you can start with any of the index. Like I am telling you to start with index, that is index 32 and index 8. Okay, this index 8 is basically the pending part of part 1, that is these index na, these like I have not given any separate time slot for these. So what we are going to do, we are going to revise 4 index in 4 days. Okay, so 1 index per day I have given, like this event after this is on next day, and then fair value measurement is on next day, and then interim also is here only. Okay, so you are getting my point. What we have to do is, we are going to study this first part in like on the half hour or 1 hour 2 hours on the end of the day. Okay, so you can start with financial instruments, index 32. How you have to study index 32? Index 32 here is This combined Ind AS has around 18 to 20 questions in compiler and will be needing around 20 hours in total, 20-25 hours in total. So we are giving it 4 slots, 1, 2, 3 and this 4 slot. Okay, so this 4 slot we will be covering section 1 also. So I think you got what we are going to study. We are going to start with Ind AS 32 and Ind AS 8. So I should write it here. In FR, one strategy is to start like revise old Ind AS which we have already studied, and then start with Ind AS 32, that is financial instruments, and study Ind AS 8. Okay, you have to practice around 18 to 20 sums in 2 days. Okay, so you have quite enough time, like you have to give day 10 and day 11 on this revising old Ind AS and studying the pending Ind AS topic, and then starting with Ind AS 32. Ind AS 32, it's no issue, you can extend it to day 12 also, so you don't have to complete with it on day 11 only. If like if you are not like revising old Ind AS and you have gained confidence, then you can start with Ind AS 32 and you can end it on day 11 only. But now talking about audit. Okay, I didn't tell you now which revision lecture to watch. You can watch revision lectures of Jay Chawla. It is available on YouTube, and if not available, you can ask for link in the ask the link in the comment section. Okay, now starting with this audit part. Okay, audit, like we were supposed to complete audit in day 8 and day 9 up to like 300 and half of 500 series. So we have completed 200 series. As per my planning, we have completed 200 series, we have completed 300 series, we have completed 400 series, and half of 500 series we have completed. And even if not completed half of 500 series, then also it is okay. Or if you have not completed 300 in days, like any one, this is compulsory, this is compulsory, and one from this is compulsory. So if you have completed any one of this then also it is fine. These 3 is important, 1, 2 and 3, 200, 400, 500 series is okay. Now we have to study today. What we have to study is, like, this is the ideal strategy. If you are like following this till day 8 and day 9 then for day 10 you can study this standard. What is for the given is, you have to start with these Ind AS, like once you can complete 540, after 540 you can watch 550 and 560, and then you can start with these 240, 250, 260. These are important Ind AS and has around 28 questions. So like 28 questions will be needing around 10 minutes of time, that is 240 to 80 minutes. So roughly like it is 240 minutes only. 240 minutes divided by 60 is equal to 4 hours. Okay, so is equal to 4 hours, that is fine. 6 4s are 24. So you have to complete these Ind AS in around 6 hours today. So you can watch revision lectures of these important Ind AS also. Okay, and then practice questions, revise. Like this is for text part, you can revise it in 1 hour, not more than that. Or you can like combinedly study all these Ind AS in 2 hours. So like this is what you have to do. Like when we are running short of time then you should have a technique, you should have a proper technique how to revise all the standards quickly, without wasting much time, without investing much time, but without losing the efficiency. Like we have to be efficient, but we need to be effective also. Okay, so effectiveness of the study should not be compromised, but also the time management we have to do. So like this I wanted to record 2 hours video of how to study these like 5 or 6 standards in one slot of 2 hours, but like I am running short of time. Even I don't have enough time because I am personally mentoring CA final students and CA inter students also contacting me, so I am quite little busy at that side. So that's why like I'm not able to record these videos, but very quickly I'll record these videos, and whenever these videos are recorded it will be shown in the I button. I will update all the playlist. Okay, so this is what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to, there are 2 strategies. Either again here, like there is a lot of permutation and combination now for CA final students. So that's why I am like improvising it here, because some students would be going with the flow, so I don't want to disturb their flow. So for those students, what they have to do is they have to study like SA 240, 250, 260, 265 if there is, and 500 series, like whatever indices are pending, all these whatever standards are pending, all these standards you have to complete by today. Yes, 570, 580 is pending. So if you have time, or even if you leave these indices, you can study it here, because like we have still some time left. Okay, till 500 series, half of 500, and the 600 series you can study on day 11th. So what you have to do is, if students are running what they are supposed to do, and they are running in good time, you can study this. But if students need revision, then what you have to do, then you have to study like study 300 series, or if you have completed 300, then 500 series. But you have to complete this on day 11 itself, day 10 itself. Now talking about day 11 in audit, what we have to do, like in law, in FR we know that we are going to revise, and then we are going to start with business combination. Those students who have already completed all the indices, they can start on day 10 only. But those students who need revision then can revise for one day and then start with, because revision is the most important thing here. Now what we should do, like this should be the ideal graph, we should study in this pattern. Like if a subject, let's say FR is entering this funnel so it should be like 150 hours for first revision, and then around 100 hours for 80 hours, around 80 hours for 100, like 80 hours for second revision, and then 40 hours final revision, like 2 days revision or 3 days revision, which must say like around 36 hours revision, or maybe more than that. And then finally this should come out as LDR means 12 hours revision. So this is the funnel technique. I tell I refer this as funnel technique. So this is my funnel technique as mentioned in the link of the video, funnel technique. So this is what you have to do for every subject, like FR, law and audit. For law, I must say like you are investing around 120 hours, then you should divide it in 60 hours, then in 30 hours, and then finally in 12 hours. So for every topic you have to do the same only. Like once the subject enters in the funnel, it should be revised, everything should be revised, the text, the revision video, the text, the revision video, the practice sums, PM sums, the question bank, okay, the RTPs, MTPs, everything should be done in first part. Okay, this is the first. Now what we have to do in second what we will do, we will mark the text what we have to revise, and if not we have to revise, we are not going to revise text, then we should watch revision videos we should mark and save in our offline. Then we should mark question banks, that what questions are we going to read. I have also told you that if we are having around 50 questions in question bank then mark 20 as important questions. So only 20 questions we are going to revise in the next second revision. And then RTP, MTP sums also, like if they are repeating sums, then we should not look at it again. So, and we should mark too easy to read. So like this way we have to summarize it. And in third revision we should almost mark only important questions which we have to revise, and the concepts through revision videos or your summary notes. Okay, this is super summary notes here. Summary notes are here. If you have made, although this is the biggest shortcoming of CA final student, if you are not preparing your notes in this attempt, you are going to fail. I am again repeating, if you are not preparing your notes, or if you are not revising through your notes, you are going to fail in this attempt if ICI conducts this attempt. So prepare your summary notes if you have time. If not, then you should write on the side of the books, side pages of the books which you are referring. Then you should in third revision you should watch revision videos, super summary videos, and important only very very important questions you have to revise again. Like these questions are like something which are going to like revise your entire concept of the topic with like in less number of questions, but the questions will be like of a variety of questions that which will cover the every topic. Okay, so this is what funnel technique is about. I wanted to tell you. Now getting back to the topics, hope you are completed this 500 series, and if not completed then complete it today in day 8, day 10 and day 11, and then on day 23 of August, that is day 11 we are going to study 500 and 600 series. So this is like almost end of our standards. Accounting and auditing standards both are completed, almost completed. Like FR subject is almost based on standards only, so that's why I'm telling. So this is what we have to do. This part is for students like who are going slow. This is for those, and if not like some students are going with time, then you should do this. Like on time students should do this. On time students can start on, there will be day 10 for this, and day 11 will be for essay 500 and essay 600 series. Okay, entire series you have to complete in S, and in this you have to complete Ind AS 32 as well as Ind AS 8, as the day 11's target is Ind AS 107 and Ind AS 10. So Ind AS 107 and 10. Okay, so for Ind AS we have to complete Ind AS 32. This is small Ind AS. Ind AS 7 is detailed Ind AS, so we have to practice many questions on that. It has around 20 sums, so 20 sums will be needing around 30 minutes, so that is 600 hours, that is approximately 10 hours. Okay, so this is like, sir, you are telling me that we have 2 days of 7 or 8 hours, we say we have 16 hours, and in 16 hours you are asking us to practice sums for 10 hours. Yes beta, I am asking you to do that. Okay, so not all 20 sums you have to practice. You have to just practice like 5 to 8 sums, then you have to audit like 5 to 8 sums, and then remaining 4 sums you can skip it. Okay, you can skip it. So this is our target for day 10 and day 11. Okay, for students who are going slow, they can stretch it till day 12, because one day we are kept for revision also in this audit type slot. So this is for like going slow students, and this is for on time students. You can, this is for day 10, this is for day 11 for on time students. Although all what you need to do is you need to gain confidence even if you have completed the syllabus, but that is not important. Important is you gain syllabus, you gain confidence on the syllabus. Okay, hope I am not stretching this too much. So this is our target which is set. Okay, now last thing I told you about funnel topic also. So hope you are actually enjoying these videos, liking the video, and if you really like the video and the concept of this online mentoring program, then you can share this video with your friends who are in need of mentoring program. I also do one-to-one personalized paid mentoring program also, and there is free batch also, like for November 2020 students it is absolutely free, so you can contact me. I write answers on Quora also, you can find those in the link given in the links description below. Thanking you, signing off, Rishi Rishabh Jain and Michhami Dukkaram, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi.